Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a haul from the Dollar Tree. I found some really cool stuff that I'm gonna be using in some upcoming videos, and I want to share with you guys. Excuse my mat, it's a mess. I got like paint and varnish residue. Oh, let me show you guys how beautiful my canvas came out. I varnished it, gives it this beautiful glossy. I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about putting another coat of varnish because I don't like how I could see a lot of the texture of the canvas. Like, I feel like it's more varnished here than here. But I love the way that this turned out, guys. If you want to see how this turned out, I mean, if you want to see how I made this, you can check out my previous video. It was a Paletful Packs unboxing for January. So I showed everything in that video that I used to create this canvas. I really like how it came out. Comment below and let me know what you guys think, how you think it came out. But anyways, to my video, the main focus of the video. So as I said, I went to Dollar Tree and I just wanted to share some things that I bought. I tried not to go crazy. There was a ton of stuff. I was really tempted to go nuts in there, but I had to pace myself. I bought this craft paper roll, and it's by Jot. A lot of their like school supplies and stationery or like that type of stuff, they're by Jot. I think it's a decent brand. But anyways, this is 30 inches by 15 feet. So I got some DIYs coming up with this. And guys, this stuff is so handy. Like, you guys can use it. If you're familiar with Tone Tan Paper by Strathmore, you guys, this would be like a really good cheap alternative. This is really awesome to draw on. Craft paper would be like a really nice background for like color pencils and stuff like that. Like, the whites really pop and colors really pop on this type of paper. But yeah, I'm going to have some DIYs for this. This would be a really good cheap alternative if you want to try out toned paper. Let me set that to the side. Hopefully my kids won't destroy this. And it looks like a decent amount. I also purchased 2 candle holders. I think these are glass. They're so pretty. They're like crystal or glass. I don't know. But these are going to be used for a DIY. Got 2 of those. I found these. I don't want to be too loud because my kids' nosy selves are in the other room. But I'm trying to save these for Valentine's Day for them because I want to make them like little Valentine gift. And these are one of the things that I want to include in there. It's a flashing LED wand. So I thought that would be cool for them to play with. Probably needs batteries. But I bought 2 of those for my girls. One for each of my girls. I bought this scissor mouse. It's by Westcott. It says it cuts paper fast, easily, and safely. Won't harm surfaces. Great for cutting paper, coupons, and craft projects. For use when cutting on flat surfaces. So it says this is safe for kids to use. And it says you can do a straight cut or long wavy cuts. So I'm really curious to see how this works. And I'll probably do a review on this and let you guys know how I liked it. But this was $1 and they had a lot of really pretty colors. They had one, they had like not cheetah print. Like a zebra print, black and pink. But I decided to go with this one. They had a really pretty like turquoise color or something, like a really light turquoise. It was really pretty. So I bought that. They had I found this weekly plan. It's a dry erase magnetic planner. So I thought this was really cool. I'm gonna put it on my fridge, so that me and my family can like keep track of stuff for the month, like reminders and stuff like that. And it's a really huge magnetic strip on the back. I'll probably buy another of these and just use the magnet for something. Probably could do some type of, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, my main purpose for this was to put on my fridge. And I didn't have any dry erase markers, so I bought a pack of those. This one has 3, and I thought it would be cool to get this because my kids, they're always losing stuff and touching things they aren't supposed to. So if one of these gets lost, I got some backup ones. I don't have to keep buying them. But I kind of wanted the ones that have like the erase thing on the top or the cap or whatever. So I got that. I bought this Refresh Your Car vent clip. I know this isn't art related, but this reminded me of the Febreze clips that I usually get for my car. And it's cool breeze scent. So I thought that would be cool to try this out. Comment below if you're interested to know how this works. Like if it works just like the Febreze one. I'll be happy to let you know. They had a lot, like a really nice arrangement of Valentine's Day stuff. Like I was gonna go crazy in there, but I was really trying my best not to get any Valentine's stuff, just for the fact that like it's almost here and it's gonna be gone quickly. But I said, what the heck? Let me go ahead and I grabbed 3 of these Decorative Mesh. So these are, I really like this one. Like they're like a hot pink with gold. You guys know I'm obsessed with gold, so that's what attracted me to this one. They had a couple of other colors there. There wasn't really a huge, I don't know, the Dollar Tree is by me for some reason. Well, obviously because people buy them a lot, but there's never really a lot. Like sometimes I go and there's like a really pretty color, there's only one left. So, but they had a red with like a red mesh, the red foil or whatever this piece is called, tinsel. They also had like a white with the red tinsel. And I don't know, I just thought that it would look nice if I just did a solid pink with the gold. So I grabbed 3 of those. I found this heart-shaped wreath. And it's like a medium size, kind of small, but I mean for $1, you can't really complain too much. I'm sure at Michael's they probably had like bigger ones, but I thought this would be cool. I also got some flowers. These are Delilah's, and they're like pink and white with a little yellow in the middle. I thought those are really cute. I really like using these guys for like drawing references for flowers and stuff like that. But these are going to be used for DIY possibly. Make sure that you guys give me a thumbs up if you want to see the DIYs I'm going to be creating, or if you're curious to see what I'm going to be creating with all these things that I'm showing you. I think this is the last thing that I bought. I found 3 of these serving trays, and I think they're aluminum. They're pretty sturdy. They're pretty like hefty. They're not too heavy. But yeah, these are really cute. And They're just called serving trays when you go there. They had a lot of really cute shapes. They had like an oval one, a circle one, different sizes. But I decided to get this square one. And yep, that's about it. I have like some really cool things planned for you guys. I really want to work on some organizational things to show you guys some organizational alternatives. Like right now, my craft stuff and my art supplies is just like a mess. You know, I really want to organize things and like find really cool alternatives. So I'm looking forward to doing some videos for you guys to show you guys some of the things that I create, to show you guys just different solutions that you could probably, you know, find useful for yourself as I try to find them useful for my stuff. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I know that this haul is a little short, but I just really want to share with you guys some of the things that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to show you guys what I'm going to be using in these upcoming videos. All right, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss on any of the DIYs coming up. Make sure that you guys like, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.